The scariest part of life isn't dying. It's realizing you never really lived. You convince yourself you have time. Time to chase your dreams. Time to say what you really feel. Time to be the person you always wanted to be. Days turn into years, and before you know it, you're stuck in the same routines, following the same patterns, waiting for a moment that never comes. You don't need more time, you need to stop wasting the time you already have. You tell yourself you'll start tomorrow, but how many times have you said that? How many dreams have you buried under the excuse of someday? How many moments have you let pass, thinking there will be more? The truth is, life doesn't wait for you to be ready.